Okay, welcome to Carlos. Here we train future engineers. So today, we are going to be teaching on the reinforcement column detail. So last time we talked about beam. So today we are going to teach about the column. So getting on the column, we have different columns here. Alphabet C1 has a different identity column, while C2 is a different identity column. So getting on the C1 column starts from the footing to the first floor slab, while the C2 goes all the way to the roof beam. So let's get along with the C1. So I'm going to take it stage by stage so that you won't get so confused, because this is supposed to be simple. So first along, the first thing we have to start by inputting our center line. So our center line is the most important thing to start with first. So getting on with our center line, so it can be way long to this extent. Yeah, so this is our center line, and we are going to work on this column. So for you not to be updated, let me update you with the column size. So this is 300 by 230. So I'll be offsetting this column. So I'll say offset to half of 230, which is 115. So offset this to the right and to the left. So I'll come here and change the layer. I'll change the layer to column. So this is what we have as our column. So we have already done a typical view of what our column will look like. So checking on the width is 230. So we work on the height later, but the height is according to the building. So I will come here and create our footing. So our footing size is 12 by 12 in a square form. So I'll come here and offset this, offset to 600, since the full length is 12. So I'll offset 600 to the left and 600 to the right. So I'll make a line for it, but before then I'll change to my column to make a line for it. So this is a line for it. Then I'll offset. No, I'll trim. Sorry, I'll make a trim for it. So making a trim for this and for this. So after which I'm deleting these two lines since we don't need them. Then I'm offsetting this to make a depth. The depth of our footing is 200 according to this structure and the structural report. So sorry, 200. So I'm offsetting this to 200. Okay. Then we are making our next thing we are making is our cover for our footing. So our cover for footing is 50. So I'll make this cover here to this place, and also make this here. So this is our cover for now. So I'm making these two stuffs. Okay, for now let me just leave it there. So I'll trim this stuff that isn't necessary. I'll trim this off. And also in the edges there is also a concrete cover for it based on the bending radius, and so our cover is also 50. So I'm offsetting this to 50. Offsetting this to 50. So now I'm trimming off some unnecessary stuff that isn't supposed to be here. So I'll trim this off, trim this off. So we are getting there and we are progressing. So I'll still make the cover off. So I'm pushing this here to offset this to 50 where the lens can start. So this is where the lens can start. So I'll move this up ahead and place it here. So while I did this stuff that isn't necessary. So this is what we got. So we are done with our cover. So I'll still place a cover for this. So the minimum for column is 40. So I'm making a cover for this. So I'll set 40 for this, 40 for this. So you know this, we are done. So I'll change this to the layer property of a ribbon and trim off the stuff that isn't necessary. So I'll change this off to the ribbon property. So we're almost done to the part one of this segment. So in part two, I'll be showing how the rebars, the lapping, and the footing reinforcement goes. So thank you for staying with me to the end of this segment. So in part two, I'll be tracing more on this. So thank you as I see you off in next class. All right.